next thing to do is to paint the tins, and we're going to do a little bit of a custom paint job for Goose, my 56 oval. Alright, to prep this tin for its new paint job, I've got to do some wet sanding. So that's what's coming up now, is I'm going to be doing some wet sanding, and you guys can watch and see how it's done. This black, it's already been, I already did a primer on this and then the black coat, so all I have to do is clean up the tin and wet sand it, and then I'm going to hit it again, hit it with the new paint. So here we go. Okay, so one of the keys to using spray balm is to use light coats, and this is the color I'm going to be painting. It is Gloss Almond, and I use it on my interior stuff, and I think it'll look really cool on the engine stuff. So here we go. Alright, this first coat. It dries pretty fast. About 15-20 minutes, it should be ready for the second coat. This is going to be the custom part. Well, I guess the whole color is kind of custom, but we got a little something special for this part of the paint job. So I always flip my tins over. I flip them over, and I just finished flipping them over, and I'm about to put the second coat on. The reason why you want to do that is so that you ensure that you get good coverage on the actual tins themselves. So